Welcome to Tech for Everyone, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic that will supercharge your YouTube journey. Advanced keyword strategies for unstoppable growth. YouTube has become an indispensable platform for content creators across the globe, offering an opportunity to showcase their expertise and engage with audiences. However, with millions of videos uploaded daily, breaking through the noise and standing out in a competitive niche can seem like a Herculean task. In this video, we aim to equip you with advanced and forward-thinking keyword strategies that will not only help you rank higher in search results but also attract the right audience, the one ready to engage, subscribe, and ultimately convert into loyal followers. Understanding the challenge: competitive niches. Entering a competitive niche on YouTube can be both thrilling and daunting. From tech reviews to cooking tutorials, you'll find every segment brimming with creators vying for attention. However, fear not, as our secret weapon lies in smartly chosen keywords. The magic of long-tail keywords. Most creators start by targeting short-tail keywords, single or two-word phrases like Facebook marketing. However, these keywords are incredibly competitive and challenging to rank for. Here's where long-tail keywords come to the rescue. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that receive lower search volumes but have less competition. They often have higher conversion rates because they better match the searcher's intent. By cleverly combining short-tail and long-tail keywords, we can hit the sweet spot of ranking and relevancy. An example with Facebook marketing. Imagine you want to rank for the short-tail keyword Facebook marketing. While it's a desirable term, it will put you against a vast number of established creators. Let's go long tail. Facebook marketing for business narrows down the audience and reduces competition, but it's still quite competitive. Now, for more precise targeting, consider Facebook marketing with a business page. Bingo! You've made it more specific, and significantly decreased competition. Creativity in keyword choices. Don't be afraid to get creative with your keyword choices. Instead of sticking to Facebook marketing, you can try Facebook promotion, still relevant, but with less search volume, making it a goldmine for low competition ranking possibilities. Beyond informational keywords, the profitable ones. Informational keywords serve the purpose of sharing valuable knowledge, but if you aim to generate revenue, it's essential to understand the intent behind certain keywords. Let's explore the potential of profit-based searches. Profitable keyword examples. 1. Facebook ads agency. Someone searching for this keyword is likely looking to hire an agency, indicating they might be willing to spend thousands of dollars. Targeting such keywords can lead to higher conversion rates and more significant revenue potential. 2. Facebook marketing agency. Similar to the previous example, this keyword indicates an intention to hire, making it another lucrative option. 3. Best mats for yoga, or best mats for beginners for yoga. People searching for product-related keywords are more likely to be in a buying mindset. By recommending and upselling yoga mats, you open avenues for generating revenue. 4. Cooking workshops in my area or advanced cooking class. These keywords signify a desire to attend classes or workshops, often for a fee. Promoting your cooking-related events or courses can lead to considerable earnings. Diversify your product offerings. With YouTube becoming an increasingly competitive landscape, creators need to explore various monetization options. Leveraging affiliate marketing, selling your products or services, or collaborating with brands can open new revenue streams. using tools to unearth the best keywords. To find a plethora of relevant keywords, we recommend using both the Google Keyword Tool and YouTube-specific tools. The Google Keyword Tool helps identify popular search queries, while YouTube-specific tools provide valuable insights into the platform's search trends. The impact of smart keyword choices. By making intelligent keyword choices, you can significantly impact your channel's growth. Attracting the right audience, those genuinely interested in your content, will lead to higher engagement, increased watch time, and ultimately, better rankings in YouTube's algorithm. A community of passionate learners. As we progress in our YouTube journey, we are building a community of passionate learners and creators who share a common goal: to grow together and unleash our full potential. Every step we take is a stride towards creating engaging, inspiring, and impactful content. Empower your channel. Key takeaways. 1. Ditch the ultra-competitive short-tail keywords, go long-tail to find the perfect balance between ranking and relevancy. 2. Get creative with keywords, explore alternative keyword choices to uncover hidden gems. 3. Profit-based keywords lead to revenue. Target keywords indicating buyer intent for increased monetization opportunities. 4. Diversify monetization strategies. Expand your revenue streams through affiliate marketing, selling products, or providing services. 5. Tools are your allies. Utilize keyword research tools to discover a treasure trove of relevant keywords. Let's conquer YouTube together. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, and each video you create is an opportunity to improve and grow. Stay curious, persistent, and keep experimenting with your content and keyword strategies. Join our community of aspiring creators and tech enthusiasts as we take on YouTube's challenges and embrace its endless possibilities. Together, we empower our channels and inspire the world. Are you ready to unlock YouTube success? Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this thrilling journey together.